When you are visiting Xela, you have another good choice to eat and to taste the local desserts. Ponche de leche is a milk punch. This one, the base is milk, and this one is a fruity punch. This one, they are using different kind of milk, like the papaya, pineapple, apple. You have a choice to add tequila, Bacardi, and when you add with tequila, remember, we call with piquete. Yeah, piquete is with rum or with tequila. And here we call atol. Atol is hot drink. It's traditional mostly in Quetzaltenango. Which one you want to try? Milk with rum or fruit with rum?
Juice with rum.
She is asking, you want rum from 12 years old or 18 years old?
18.
De 18. Look. Si no directo.
Okay. You can smell the rum. It smells like a warm, like a fruit cocktail.
But it's hot fruit cocktail.
Let's try.
It's hot.
Oh my, I want to make this at home. This is like the perfect winter drink. Like hot chocolate? No, this is much better. Let's see, what do you think about the fruit juice?
It's very good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
The rum is smooth. You don't taste the
Strong flavor.
It's not strong.
Exactly. Yeah. We are using for Christmas season. We call ponche de frutas with piquete and tamales. Tamales is our Christmas dinner. Yeah. In some areas, we are making different kind of tamales. Salty tamales, sweet tamales, black tamales, and red tamales. The base is coming from only tomato sauce or mole. The black one is mole. Yeah. Mole is mostly from Mexican style.
Yes.
In food, for example, we have the same tradition with Mexico. Yeah, that is a corn tortillas, is fried, and they add different kind of meat, tomato sauce, and after they add cabbage salad. That whole combination is very tasty. This one is a Garnachas. Garnachas you can find in each different places when they are celebrating some Catholic saints. In general, in Guatemala, in each area you can find garnacherias. The place when they are selling Garnachas. And here you can buy one portion like this for 10 quetzales.
Okay.
Yes, they bring 5 pieces.
This is 10 quetzales?
10 quetzales. 10 quetzales for 5 pieces.
The corn tortillas taste so different when you deep fry it like the way they're frying it. So it kind of takes a little bit of the corn flavor away. You feel the meat flavor and the cabbage, yeah.
Yes. What do you think, Ebor?
Well, that's pretty good. What's the meat?
Beef with beans, right?
No, just beef.
Yeah.
Just beef? Oh,
Yes,
no.
just beef.
No, I like the balance of the cabbage and vinegary with the meat, and then the saltiness of the corn.
Is it considered a tortilla now that it's
It
been
is.
fried? It's still a tortilla, right?
This corn tortilla fried.
Okay, but the fried gives it a different flavor.
Yes.
Let's go to see pupusas. Pupusas original is a traditional food from El Salvador, and they add a different kind of cheese. Sometimes could be flour, could be cheese. This case she are selling with cheese and chicharrón. The idea is making tortillas for to go. With some farmer, they need work to the cornfield for the woman. They wake up early in the morning, but they don't have enough time to cooking food and to making tortillas. They are making the same time. They are making tortillas. They open in the middle and they add different stuff. And after they cover and they fry it. For that, in the same time, they are making all food for to go. Yeah.
You get a little bit of tomato, you get the cabbage.
Is it spicy?
No, it's very
no,
mild.
Very bland.
I like the texture of the pupusa. It's like a pancake.
This one is a cheese pupusa.
I like that.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh. Oh,
It's better.
the chicharron's much better.
Yes.
Chicharron's got lots of flavor.
Yeah.
Check out the card above for the chicharron video.
Yeah.
Good.
Chicharrón and carnitas.
So what do we have here now?
Called buñuelos, bread base, and they cover with honey. Good. It's like the soup. But this
It's
one
like
is
a donut in a honey soup.
in a honey soup. It's a mostly sugar soup.
Sugar soup.
Yes.
This is totally something April would like.
Hell yeah. It's hot.
It's hot. Careful, it's hot.
Everything's crazy hot.
Cold now.
Everything is hot here, yeah, for the old weather.
Yeah.
Xela, the majority time is cold. Only summer season is only more warm. But in general, Xela, for the elevation, is very cold.
Burn yourself.
It's good combination. It's good combination.
It's not too sweet at all.
Really?
It's just
Or
like a
sugar
hint.
flavor.
It's like a fresh piece of fried bread with just a hint of honey.
I'm gonna go with the darker color one.
In the oven.
Yes.
Oh.
That's not what I was expecting. I was expecting donut.
Oh, no.
Literally tastes like you took some fresh bread, maybe hot sugar water, but not sugar.
Not really sugar.
Yeah, it's very mild sugar. Give you an idea. The rum that we had with the fruit juice and the little baby tacos was 27 quetzales, $3.75 or something like that. It's not much. And then the pupusas was 20 quetzales. Crazy cheap street food.
Yeah.
5 quetzales is the equivalent to like 50 cents for the...
Buñuelos.
Yeah, I'm just American. We're gonna call that a wet donut. Tell us what we have here.
A sweet corn hot drink called Atoll.
Oh, like
ATOL.
Oh, that's yummy.
Is that good?
Yeah, especially with the cinnamon.
Oh yeah?
Have you ever had cream corn?
Yeah.
I like it. I like cream corn.
when I was a kid,
Yeah. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And then it's got the cinnamon. It's just kind of nice and comforting, especially when it's chilly.
Yeah.
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 It's cold.
What'd you think?
I'm not sure what to think. My brain's having a hard time wrapping around this one.
Oh, I like it.
It's very hearty. Like, you could eat this for a meal.
You know,
It's not dessert either, so it's like in between both worlds.
this one maybe
7 quetzales.
$1.
Yeah. One.
Each. Yeah.
So $1.
And here they have another toast.
Okay.
It's a fried tortillas with something in the top. In this
Let's
case,
try
they
that.
are selling chicken, beef, or mix. They added decoration in the top, ketchup, dry cheese, and onion pieces.
Okay.
Remember, and here we are, corn people.
Corn people, yes.
For example, is one demonstration.
Sure.
Is another demonstration, and in each meal, for example, we can see.
You guys are corn and beans people.
Exactly.
Black
I
beans
think
for
most-
every meal.
Yeah, it's true. That
Whoa, what is that?
is a mix.
Beets?
Beef, carrots, onions.
Artwork. Look at that.
Wow.
Here, hold.
I can't even describe
Wow.
it. It's like a salad, cold salad on a corn tortilla. It's got the tart vinegary beets with the sweeter carrots.
To go in for the carrots with mayo.
I like the beets.
I can't even tell you how good this is. This is like the best salad you ever put in your mouth. The carrots with the mayo, and then you dig in with the onions and the cheese. This is like you're swimming in flavor heaven. So tell us what kind of cake this is here.
Oh my, that's pineapple and coconut. And the coconut's like real and raw, not the processed. And the pineapple chunks, it's not overpowering. Oh, it's like perfect. Oh yeah. It's moist, but it's not overly moist.
Right.
Can I try this one?
Yeah. What is this next one?
This is like the 1,000 layers that I had from the panaderia back in Coban, right? But this has caramel in it. It's got the delicate layers. That caramel is like this morning's. It's richer, but it's more real tasting. Like it tastes like homemade caramel. It's kind of rich too, though. Like I don't know if I'll be able to finish this one. It's deceiving because the layers are lighter, but the caramel is a lot. It's good, but it's a lot.
We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.